Good morning, children. How are you, Nana? I hope you are fine. Are you listening the classes, Nana? Listen the class properly and practice it, Nana. For first class children, we are in chapter 9, Nana. In chapter 9, we are in last topic, Amma. Okay? It is subtraction with regrouping 2 digit minus 2 digit. Okay? So, see the board, Nana. First problem is already you learned 1 digit borrowing, Nana. Okay. Now today I am saying 2 digit, Nana. 2 digit borrowing. Okay. Listen properly, Nana. 38 minus 19. Okay. So when we are doing one subtraction, Nana, addition or subtraction, you have to start from ones place. Okay. So see, Nana, ones place numbers are 8, 9. 8 minus 9. Okay. So, see, Nana, first number is smaller than second number. Okay. So, first from smaller number we can subtract greater number? No. You know that very well. See, Nana, take out 8 fingers and down is 9. You can close 9 fingers? No. Only 8 fingers are there. So, you have to take borrow from tens place, Nana. Okay? No. So for that what you have to do? You have to take borrow. So 5 becomes 15. 10's place 5 becomes 4. How? From 5 we are giving 1 10 to 1 this number now. So 5 becomes 4. So count 7 after up to 15 you have to read out now. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fingers you got, Nana? 8 fingers. Okay? 4 minus 2. Take out 4 fingers, close to 1, 2. How many are there? 2. Okay? Next. 75 minus 38. 75 minus 38. Okay? See, Nana, what are ones place numbers, Nana? 5, 8. So 5 is smaller than 8. You can subtract smaller from greater, Nana? No. So for that you have to do, you have to take borrowing. So 5 becomes 15, 7 becomes 6. Okay? So 15 minus 8. So count, Nana. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So how many fingers are there, Nana? 7. 6 minus 3. Take out 6 fingers, close 3. How many are there? 3. Okay? So how much, Nana? 37 we got. Okay? Next, Nana, you have to practice number of problems now. Okay? Exercise is given here. Here exercise is given, Nana. Number of problems are there. You have to practice it. Okay? See, Nana. So ones place numbers are 4, 8. You have to subtract 4 minus 8. So 4 is smaller than 8. You can subtract, Nana? No. So for that what you have to do? You have to take borrow, Nana. So 4 becomes 14 and 10's place 4 becomes 3. Okay? So 14 minus 8. Okay? So 8, we can't open 14 fingers. Only 10 fingers we are having. Okay? So for that close all the fingers. 8 after, till 14 we have to count. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many are there? 6. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Next. 36 minus 19. 36 minus 19. So here ones place numbers are 6 and 9. Okay? So you have to subtract 6 minus 9, Nana. So first check, first is small number or greater number. So 6 is smaller than 9. Okay? So from smaller number we can't subtract greater number. Okay? So it is not possible to subtract, Nana. Okay? So for that what you have to do? You have to take borrowing, Nana. So 6 becomes 16. 3 becomes 2. Okay? So 16 minus 9. So we can't subtract, we can't open 16 fingers, Nana. So close all the fingers and count. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many fingers we got? 7. You have to count slowly, Nana. 2 minus 1. Take out 2 fingers and close 1. So 1. Okay? Next problem, Nana. 52 minus 37. First you have to identify small number and big number, Nana. Okay? Which is small number, which is big number, you have to identify. See, Nana, here they gave numbers 2, 7. 2 minus 7 we have to do. Okay? So 2 is smaller than 7. It is not possible to subtract. Okay? So for that take borrow. 2 5. Okay. So count 9 after 10, 11. So how many you got, Nana? 2. Next, 5 minus 2. Take out 5 fingers and close 2. How many are there? 3. Next, 73 minus 20. 73 minus 27. See, Nana, here ones place numbers are 3 and 7. You have to do 3 minus 7. Okay. So 3 is smaller than 7. It is possible to subtract, Nana? No. So for that, what you have to do? You have to take borrow from 10th place. So 3 becomes 13. 7 becomes 6. Okay. So 13 minus 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many fingers you got, Nana? 6. Next, 6 minus 2. Take out 6 fingers and close 2. How many are there? 4. Okay. Next, 82 minus 35. Okay. So see, Nana, ones place numbers are 2 and 5. You have to subtract 2 minus 5. So here 2 is smaller than 5. It is not possible to subtract. Okay, it is possible? No. So for that you have to take borrow from 10th place. 2 becomes 12. 8 becomes 7. Okay.